Here is another system of linear equation application problem regarding advertising. Let's read the problem. A health insurance company advertised on TV, on radio, and in the local newspaper. The marketing department has an advertising budget of $42,000 per month. A TV ad costs $1,000. A radio ad costs $200, much cheaper. And a newspaper ad costs $500 each. The department wants to run 60 ads per month and have as many TV ads as radio and newspaper combined. All right, how many of each type of ad can the department run each month? So they talk about the number of TV, radio, and newspapers, right? 3 items, then we need 1 variable each. So let me define the variable. So I am going to let x equals to the number of TV ads, and then y equals to number of radio ads, and then z equals to number of newspaper ads. Okay, what is the first equation? The first equation is I need to take care of the 60. The sum must equals to 60 ads. So that is their standard. All right. So the first equation, that will be x plus y plus z equals to 60. That is my first one. And then the next one will be the cost. So the cost, you have that much budgets, right? And then each TV costs $1,000, each radio is $200, and then newspaper is $500 each. So that will be, let's get rid of the circle. So that will be 1000x plus for radio 200y, and then plus 500z equals to what? Equals to the budget $42,000. And then the last one is pretty tricky. The department wants to run 60 ads per month and have as many TV ads as radio and newspaper combined. So TV is equals to radio plus newspaper. What is TV? TV is x. X is equals to radio plus newspaper combined. So that means I'm going to write the third one. So that will be a x, the TV, is equals to newspaper plus radio combined. So that is a y plus z. Then we have 3 equations. So this is a system of linear equation. It has 3 equations. This time I would like to stick with the elimination method. So the first thing that I would like to do immediately is I'm going to change this to x minus y minus z equals to 0. Let's label my equation. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and then I'm going to call this equation 3. Okay, so I can see that the first and the third can be worked with very easily. But before I get into that, I want to take care of the 1000. I want to get rid of the x first. So this is 1, this is 1000. I am going to multiply 1000 on both sides to get a 1000x, and then subtract that to get rid of the x. That is what I'm going to do. So here is the language. I am going to take 1000, okay, multiply to the first equation on both sides, of course, and then subtract the second equation. So that is 1000 times the left side, 1000 times the right hand side. So that is 1000x plus 1000y plus 1000z. 60 times 1000 is 60,000. And then the second equation, just bring it over. So 1000x plus 200y plus 500z equals to 42,000. And then I subtract them. X, done. 1000 minus 200, that is 800. 800y, and then 500z equals to, subtract that, 60 minus 42, that is 18. Okay, x is gone. What else can I do? How about the first one and the third one? How about number 1 subtract number 3? So I have x plus y plus z equals to 60. The third one is x minus y minus z equals to 0, and then I am performing a subtraction. Be very careful. X minus x is gone. And then watch, y minus minus, again, minus minus, so y plus y is equals to 2y. And then z plus z is equals to 2z. 60 minus 0 is 60. Okay, and then what else can I do? Can I put the y on one side? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do a 2y equals to 60 minus 2z, and then divide both sides by 2. So y is equals to 60 minus 2z divided by 2. So which is 60 divided by 2 minus 2z divided by 2. I have 30 minus z. So that is equals to y. So how about I will just plug in this y over here, over there. And then I will rewrite this equation as 800 times 30 minus z, and then plus 500z is equals to 18,000. We can solve for z, right? One equation with one unknown. Distribution 8 times 3, 24, followed by 3 zeros. And then 800z plus 500z equals to 18,000. Negative 800 plus 500 is negative 300, right? And then the 18 minus 24, that is negative 6,000. Okay, negative on both sides. We don't need to worry about having a negative z. So negative 6,000 divided by negative 300. How many newspaper ads? The answer is 20 newspaper ads. Okay, newspaper is 20. Ooh, this should be much easier. So now I got my 20. Let's switch color. So now I got my 20. I can plug it in to the y. So y is equals to 30 minus 20 equals to 10. What is y represent? Let's go up. Y is the radio. Okay, so we have 10 radio ads. I would like to box my final answer. And then what's the last one? What about x? So we have x equals to y plus z, right? And then the very last step, so that is x equals to y plus z. So x is equals to 10 plus 20. X is equals to 30. TV ads. There we go. That's it. Alright, so that is the end of this video. If you like the way I explain problem, teach math, subscribe to my channel for more contents like that. Like this video, share this video to your friend. As always, I will meet you all in another video. Signing out.